Conto, Kata, Kerja. Example of verb. Nanya, ask. Najawab, answer. Nanya, ask. Najawab, answer. Sophia hoyang naon? Ma nanya Sophia. Sophia najawab, hoyang baso bakar. What would you like to have, Sophia? Asked Mama. Sophia answered, I would like to have grilled meatball. Nalamun, daydreaming. Nalamun, daydreaming. Te Iis nuju nalamun hoyong ka laut. Miss Iis is daydreaming about going to the beach. Bobo, sleep. Bobo, sleep. Barudak, Bobo, mani pulis. The kids slept very well. Ibak, take shower. Ibak, take shower. Kenzie Ibaku na lira. Kenzie takes shower by himself. Imut, smile. Imut, smile. Anis imut payanun kacha. Anis smiles in front of the mirror. Mikir, dink. Mikir, dink. Ma nuju mikir kumaha cara na nadamo video. Mom is thinking how to make a video. Among, play. Among, play. Barudak nuju among sasarangan. The kids are playing together. Charik or nangis, cry. Charik or nangis, cry. Barudak te charik hiji, charik kabe. One kid cried, followed by the others. Dahar, eat. Dahar, eat. Azalea nuju dahar, jajanan sarang ran chang ana. Azalea eating the snack with her friends. Ninum or drink. Ninum or drink. Shahla nuju juice. Shahla is drinking juice. Latihan, exercise. Latihan, exercise. Barudak nuju latihan olahraga. The kids are exercising. Lempang, walk. Lempang, walk. Ujang sok lempang ka sekolahna. Ujang always walk when he goes to school. Lumpat, run. Lumpat, run. Mirna sok lumpat mun ningali niruan. Mirna always runs when she sees a bee. Naik, climb. Naik, climb. Wawan sok naik gunung unggal bulan. Wawan always climbs a mountain every month. Na harewos, whisper. Na harewos, whisper. Icha nuju na harewos. Ka run chang ana. Icha is whispering to her friend. Nobro, talk. Nobro, talk. Barudak nuju nobro sa ta achan ui sokola. The kids are talking before they go home. Na jorowok, screaming. Na jorowok, screaming. Cha Wati na jorowok tarik pisan. Miss Wati screaming loudly. Nojai, swim. Nojai, swim. Barudak nuju nojai di walungan. The kids are swimming in the river. Nimpi, dream. Nimpi, dream. Mang Inja sok nimpi nu saya wae. Uncle Inja always has a good dream. Di ajar, study. Di ajar, study. Barudak nuju di ajar. The kids are studying.